Sorry. Watch out. I'm gonna try it. Boom. Oh,
It's not terrible.
that way. That way.
Yeah, there you go.
The garlic butter was a good idea.
Come and eat it.
What sauce I make, Christy?
Is it delicious?
It's delicious.
Here.
What's up?
Okay, move.
Gil just had one. You have to.
Look at the white stuff inside it.
Oh man.
You can put it on a napkin and wash it.
And you'll touch it, or you.
Yeah, I'll eat it then.
She'll hold it with the napkin.
Yeah, I can.
Well, come get a napkin.
Extras.
It's delicious.
Here, man.
I'm
Should've.
excited.
Oh, it tastes like French toast.
Everything tastes good. Real.
Taste it.
Eat one.
I need a napkin.
Oh,
Well, they're right there.
it's not gonna be messy.
Levi, help Chelsea. She needs a napkin.
Come on, come get a napkin. I'm not gonna throw it on you.
Come on, Chelsea, you too.
It tastes like
Here's your
butter.
napkin.
Sit down. Sit
You
down.
don't want to eat that.
No, I don't.
Oh man.
I love you, Noelle. You know that. Just,
There you go.
This tastes good.
Oh my.
Chelsea.
You know
Chelsea,
that
this
Noelle
right
loved
here
Chelsea
tastes
so
good.
much she went bungee jumping and
The
almost
hair
died.
did not cook off.
It's not supposed to. You're supposed
Pop
to
it in.
eat the hair.
Noelle, your brothers ate the head.
I know.
Oh.
I just ate one too.
So
They're gonna be better
Yeah.
portion.
Okay,
You
look.
ate the head last
Gil and I
time.
already ate it. Now you have to eat it.
I'm going
hi.
skydiving.
You're gonna get sick.
Gil already ate it?
Yeah, I ate one. And Gil ate one.
I'll be a little fancy.
I am
And I ate it too.
He ate the head. This kid.
Oh,
He
I
is a
actually
soldier.
made
I wanted
that.
to eat the head, but you gotta give it to him.
Here you go.
Hurry up, I'm running out of memory.
Oh, darn.
No! Hey, eat this part. This part is the
No,
best
you're right.
part.
Oh gosh.
I smelled it.
Eat it.
Can I just take a bite of it?
Oh my goodness.
Put the
y'all
whole
are
thing
so
in your
slow.
mouth.
Just take a bite.
No, put the whole thing in your mouth.
Oh,
You know you don't want to eat this.
no, I don't.
See, that's why.
From India.
It sucks.
That
I
is-
can't
there's
feel it.
tarantula poop.
Eat it.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
No.
Go, Rick.
Okay. Oh god.
Go.
I'm so terrified.
Yes. Eat
Yes,
it.
they come out at night, don't they?
It's
Yes.
not that
It's like
easy.
60 minutes.
Actually, gonna leave it 15 minutes.
How is it?
Well, I mean, the insides are good. I'm not touching the outside of it,
What do you mean the insides?
though. Neat.
The white.
Oh.
The white is
That
delicious.
I'm trying to talk my
Oh
mom
my
into
gosh,
Part
look
over
at-
here?
pet scorpion.
I thought he was drinking.
That part right
He
there?
is
Is that what you're
drinking
talking
that.
about?
Just eat the whole thing.
Oh my god, Rick,
He's a
really?
Mexican.
Come on. You better not.
I hate spiders.
I'll try to talk my mom.
You know,
Go.
in
30
India,
seconds.
They eat tarantulas for lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Brunch, breakfast, sinker.
Yes.
Go.
Big babies.
Oh, gross.
Go.
It's not gross. It's delicious. Eat the whole thing.
Tastes like
Eat the whole thing.
Did you eat the actual outside of the leg?
The inside.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll eat the inside.
You biting into it?
It's one of those big ones. And I said, alright, just take off the legs.
What do you eat?